About 75 medical professionals from Army Reserve Medical Command's 7251st Medical Support Unit out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, are mobilizing to Fort Bliss, Texas for 1 year to support the medical portion of the Soldier Readiness Processing, a mission that gets service members certified or medically green for whatever deployment they might be needed for. Fort Bliss is a mobilization force generation installation that regularly prepares Army Reserve and National Guard soldiers and civilians for global requirements.
You're only as strong as your weakest link, and so that's how we want to make sure that we are sending qualified individuals out there, and if there's a deficit, we want to make sure that that deficit is either corrected or we find a way to correct it. We know what it is to leave home, and we know what the soldiers, what their fears may be when they're coming to something like this, and so we can help them along that process too.
Soldiers assigned to the 7251st say they have very supportive family members and employers who realize the value of their upcoming mission and the focus they have on positively impacting readiness.
I didn't expect to see so much support from them, but they've surpassed what I thought they would do for me. So they actually surprised me with a going away party. Yes, my employer is very supportive. They understand the needs of the military, and they understand when the military says go, you go. At the farewell ceremony, Brigadier General Howard Geck, Commanding General of the 103rd Expeditionary Sustainment Command and an Albuquerque native, had many inspirational words for the departing soldiers.
To the soldiers and family members here today, your patriotism stands as an inspiration for all of us. You raised your right hand and joined the Army to be part of something great. My sincere thanks to you, your family members, and your employers for their sacrifices. Your service and sacrifice is costly, but the failure to commit is even more costly.
The 7251st MSU will replace the 7218th MSU, another AR MedCom unit. AR MedCom provides the medical professionals needed for soldier readiness processing and troop medical clinic operations at mobilization force generation installations located throughout the United States. Reporting from Albuquerque, New Mexico for Army Reserve Medical Command Public Affairs, I'm Sergeant First Class Kenny Scott.